Hello and welcome back to all Americano lovers out there. This is the video to watch. I am going to show you 7 days, 7 ways to enjoy your Americano. First, a little bit of a background. Americano is a combination of espresso with water. For those that love Americano, and if you have to drink it every day, it is good to have some variety once in a while. Just for information, these days in Thailand, there is a saying or a belief that if you drink Americano each day, it reduces belly fat. I should start drinking more Americano. We are going to combine hot and cold Americano. So starting with the first day of the week, Monday. Monday, oh my God, it's the beginning of the week. You need a strong kick. So we're going to start with Americano using long black way. For those that don't know the difference between Americano and long black is definitely stronger than Americano. It's just a different way of preparing the drink. But for those that have already tried comparing both of these drinks, long black is stronger than Americano. For all the recipes today, I'm going to use my honey roast coffee beans. This is 100% Arabica from northern Thailand, courtesy of Arabia Coffee. For all the drinks today, I'm going to use 18 grams of coffee beans in, and I'm going to pull about 45 to 50 grams of espresso out. For long black, we need to get water first, and then we pull the espresso shots on top of the drink. So this is long black, espresso shot on top, water under. That's just the kick I need. For Tuesday, I'm still going to make hot Americano, and this time I am going to give it a little bit of a variation. I'm going to make honey lychee Americano. And for this, because it is Americano, this is my favorite way of making this drink. It is first you pull the espresso shots and then you add water on top of it, okay? So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to pull a double shot of espresso into my serving cup here. And then what I have here is honey lychee. Now if you don't have this, you can use just plain honey or any flavored honey that you can find at home or in the market. Okay, so I've got my double shot of espresso here. I'm going to add my honey lychee, just about 1 teaspoon. So stir the honey in. And with my Americano, I prefer to pour hot water along the sides. Okay, and this is my honey lychee Americano, perfect for Tuesday. Wow, that's exactly what I need today. And now it is Wednesday. I am looking forward to the end of the week, but still just the middle of the week. So I still need a lot of kick. And this time I'm going to make my classic Americano. So again, another hot Americano drink, but this time, the classic way, no flavor, just plain and simple Americano. This is the classic Americano. I'm going to pull my espresso shots first into my serving cup here. I prefer not to dispense water straight into the cup. I use another cup here, and then I pour my hot water into my espresso shot. And this is my Wednesday drink, hot Americano. Now, isn't that lovely? I think if I can drink Americano every day, this is definitely the way I'm going to make my Americano. It is Thursday, so this time I'm going to make it iced Americano, and I'm going to make it exciting by adding brown sugar to it. So I'm going to make iced brown sugar shaken Americano. For this, I'm also going to use double shot of espresso. And because it is shaken espresso, I'm going to use a shaker with a little bit of brown sugar and ice. I've got my double shot of espresso here. And to this, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of my brown sugar. And then add the ice. Can't wait to have my Thursday drink, iced brown sugar shaken Americano. Ice into your serving cup. And this is my iced brown sugar shaken Americano. That is something different. A little bit of sweetness. The taste note of my coffee is fruity, and this just perfectly complements the taste of my brown sugar. Perfect for Thursday. And now, thank God it's Friday. I'm going to make it playful, and I'm going to make iced Yuzu Americano. Once again, I'm going to use a double shot of espresso. And for this, I'm going to use a Yuzu puree. This is a local brand in Thailand. And this will just give that excitement to my iced Americano. So first, I'm going to prepare my cup here. To this, I'm going to add just about 1 tablespoon of my Yuzu puree. With this, you just want a hint of the flavor. You don't want to overpower your drink with a lot of flavor here. So there you go. And I'm going to add water here. Stir. So let's fill this to the top with ice. And then now to pour my espresso shots over. And I'm just going to decorate it with some lemon there and a bit of more exciting colors. And this is my iced Yuzu Americano. And this is my Friday drink. Looking really, really good. I am ready for the weekend, absolutely. That is just so refreshing. I love Yuzu. It is Saturday, the weekend, and I'm going to make a different flavor this time. I'm going to make iced coconut Americano. For this, I am going to use a commercial coconut juice here. Of course, I can make using fresh coconut. This is Thailand after all, but because not many of you will get access to fresh coconuts, so I'm going to use commercial ones. So you can just buy this off the shelf and let's find out how it tastes like. I'm going to use the same amount of espresso, double shot of espresso, and 18 grams of coffee beans. Fill my serving glass with ice, and then I'm just going to use this commercial coconut juice. So just fill your glass to just about 3/4 full. Leave some space for your espresso. There you go. Double shot of espresso here. And I'm just going to decorate it with something exciting as well. There you go. And this is my Saturday drink. It is iced coconut Americano. The first taste, it gives me coffee and then that coconut and then coffee again. I just love the combination of this one. It's a little bit sweet. I think maybe my coconut juice is sweetened, although it says 100% natural. Some coconut juice are sweet, some are not. But there you go. It is something that you might like. So why don't you give it a try on a Saturday? Perfect day to have iced coconut Americano. And finally, it's Sunday. It's time to prepare for the following week. But it doesn't mean that you shouldn't enjoy your day either. So I am going to make another special drink. This time, we are going to make iced orange Americano. So for this, I am going to use orange juice. This is again commercial. You can make freshly squeezed orange juice, but to make it easier to demonstrate this drink, I'm going to use 100% pasteurized orange juice here. And we're going to use the same proportion of espresso, double shot of espresso, and now let's pull those espresso shots. Fill your cup with ice, shake it, and then we're going to fill our glass with orange juice. You would want to just fill it about 3/4 full. Save some space for your espresso shots. Seven days, 7 ways to enjoy your Americano. I am exhausted. Anyway, let's try my final drink. It looks absolutely delightful, and I love the contrast of the color. I love the freshness of that orange. I'd say this gives you that coffee kick, and at the same time it gives you that much needed vitamin C. So it is perfect for lazy Sunday and preparing for the weekday ahead. Who says you have to stick to just one way of having your Americano? Americano lovers, try these recipes, and for those that have not yet been taking Americano at all, this is the time for you to try. Start losing the belly fat. Whether or not it is true, I have no idea, but I just love Americano, and it's, of course, is one of the healthiest of all the coffee drinks. If you haven't yet subscribed to this channel, click that subscribe button. I post everything milk tea and coffee on this channel, so please do subscribe. If you have been helped by this channel at all, do support us by buying my books, Basic Barista and All Things Milk Tea. Unfortunately, the book, The Basic Barista in hardcover edition, is now sold out. So we are printing the book as we speak, and we are going to let you know as soon as they are available. But you can still get a copy of the ebook. Details on how to order in the description box below. In the meantime, stay safe, stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Ciao for now.